1/3 of the food produced for human consumption is lost or waste during their harvesting, distribution, and consumption processes, also known as food loss and food waste.
Food loss is the loss of a certain amount of food during the production, post-harvest, and storage stage, including the packaging process. Food waste is the food that is discarded at the distribution stage until the community consumes it.
Data from the Economic Intelligence Unit states that Indonesia is the second largest food waste contributor after Saudi Arabia. From the results of a study of food loss and waste in Indonesia for 20 years, it is estimated that it is in the range of 23 to 48 million tons per year. According to a study conducted by the Ministry of National Development Planning, it is known that of the 11 types of agricultural products in Indonesia, vegetables are ranked first in inefficient food management, followed by fruits. This is evidenced by the behavior of one farmer in Banyuwangi who throws his produce into the river if the price at which it is collected is very cheap.
This happens because Banyuwangi is the largest dragon fruit production area in Indonesia. However, it's miserable that this value is not balanced with the amount of the market demands. So, the price from farmer becomes very low, which makes some farmer prefer to throw it away.
The high level of food waste and food loss in Indonesia is not by the amount of food that is fulfilled in Indonesia. There are still many hungry children in Indonesia, and the poverty rate is still high. As a part of a country that participates in global development, we participate in implementing one of these goals: responsible consumption of production and zero hunger. Our main focus is completing the SDGs at point 2.1, which has a solution that is interrelated with the SDGs goals at point 12.3, where both of them can fulfill their respective goals if the two problems are solved to reduce food waste. From these problems, KINDER emerged to help farmers in Banyuwangi or even in Indonesia to sell excess production which causes low prices in the market. KINDER provides three main features: donations, cheap sales, and find food. As a food donor, you can choose to sell cheaply or donate. Users will be directed to do a food scan to ensure the food is fit to eat before donating. Still, if the product is not suitable, it will automatically become a donation used as liquid organic fertilizer and maggot cultivation feed. The next page will show the nutrition of the food and complete some forms. For the feature of looking donations, users will choose one from a list on the main page. Users can also find out who is donating and the nutritional content of the donated item. After that, the donation seeker will look for the donor's location and accept the donations. To attract the interest of both potential users, we use the ranking and mission features as gamification.
Aplikasi ini membuat saya merasa aman dengan kualitas dari buah yang didonasikan ataupun dijual murah. Karena aplikasi ini menjamin kualitas dari produk yang didonasikan.
Aplikasinya bermanfaat.
We hope that we can participate in reducing food waste, especially vegetables and fruits.